Pretty good.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's right.
when you picked up the 67.
You did the video on the Cutlass.
Yep.
Yeah.
They
How
called
are
me
you?
back for this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Good to see you. Very good. He's crazy.
It needs a few more hours,
Yeah.
but that's all right.
I know you wanted chrome, but it looked awful. It just didn't look good. What's up, man? I'm doing good. What do you think about that wood grain?
That is different. That's very different. That's very different.
I like it.
It looks good.
Just tweaking this thing, man. You know how old vehicles are.
Yes, I know.
Well, here's the thing. I paid a guy to help me buff it, and he ended up out on us last night. He left last night on me, so I walked in this morning with a sanded vehicle. So it put me behind, 3 or 4 hours today. So all the little running around I could have done at lunch today, I was buffing.
Sure.
Getting little things here and there.
So you want to leave it till Monday?
It's up to you, man. I can work on it tomorrow. If not, you can pick it up Monday evening. It's up to you.
Looks good.
I'm gonna pop the hood. We didn't know. I didn't know painting that freezer cover. It was I don't know. Because everything else, because all the stuff was working wrong. So I think it was their way off. It's the guy. It's different. That's what I like about it. It's long wheelbase, got a little bit different paint scheme. And see, that's why I say it's different. Stripe like it is, I think kind of make it a little shorter. Almost, you know what I mean? Top. Very tight. But that's aftermarket door and aftermarket fender. You knew that, right? And this door is adjusted all the way. I got 4 shims in the bottom. I can't go no more. It's not gonna tighten up. And this. My glass guy. I didn't call him because he took in and put this bead back around inside there. He'll be back Monday. He's on vacation. He'll come up here and play with I didn't. I want you to bring it back either way in a few weeks. That's what he's got a tool that rolls that thing. I can't get it inside there because it's so tight with the other side. That he's got a tool that's pushing that bead. I'm pretty sure he told me he'll be back Monday. So if you do want to leave it till Monday,
I want you to come and do it like you want to do it. That keeps me happy to pick it up.
Yeah, I don't want to do all that. She definitely turned out really sweet, I think. That's what we had thought about, doing the trim black. We definitely want to do, inside of here. And mark. And then do the bow tie and make the bow tie look. But I've got to order some more airbrake paint right now. So that'd be something we can, unless you want to do it now, we'll do the bumpers and do all the trim. talking about doing all the trim and gloss black, even the door. Since you didn't want to get rid of the trip rails, also do the trip rails. And you see how this side looks, basically shut. I mean, put the mirror on, I got it. On this side, the mirror goes on it. I need to grab the mirror so you can see it. Hey, was this the mirror for this side?
You know, we still hang out.
Yeah.
You know, no love lost. You know, with the economy, you know, doing the things that they did.
Right.
You know,
Right.
it kind of hurt the company. You know,
Yeah. That's
so a lot of people left. You know, when we started out, we had 2 years ago. By the time I left, we were
You tell me what you want to do, if you want the mirrors on the truck or not. And try to find a different mirror to put on.
Let me think about that overnight.
Yeah, you just let me know. It's a big mirror.
I don't know. I'm feeling that it's pulling the accents in the stripe.
You think so?
I do. Now that you've held it there.
But I mean,
you know,
that's like I said, I mean, it's your truck, man. If you want to do all the chrome, keep the mirrors, we can do that, or we can black all the chrome stuff out. It's up to you. Cause then, see, to me, like when you go to, if you're gonna put wheels on, you know, what I mean, black wheels are cheaper and they look better, and you can got your paint options go crazy with a paintable wheel instead of chrome.
Gives me some stuff to think about.
It does.
need to make a list.
Put a little black on the tail lights. Not like make them dark or nothing, you know, but just give them a little black film over the top of it. Just kind of tone some of this silver down some. But it's up to you. You just let me know.
Yeah, one of the
You're
kids.
down to the 2-minute warning.
Yeah. You know the kid who brought the truck down Hampton?
Yeah, Hamilton.
He was cutting out a tree and the tree kicked out on him.
Man, he's just had some luck lately.
Yeah.
It break his leg or
Motorcycle.
anything?
Yeah.
Something?
Motorcycle. Yeah. So we just.
Oh, I forgot about his motorcycle. He wrecked it.
You know, it's like, wow.
Hold on, wait, no. He didn't tell me he wrecked his motorcycle. He wrecked his motorcycle recently?
No, he dropped his motorcycle at my house.
Okay, that's messed the tank up.
Messed this tank
Right.
up.
Okay.
Did a lot of damage to it.
This thing needs a push in as well. It's gonna pick up just the area. But it wasn't in there. See what I can come up with. There's a parts truck back there. I don't think it's there. Cause like I robbed some like rubber stoppers and stuff off of it. Back there, so paint on from that dude painted purple the first time, and he painted over me. Do you think you might be able to do something today? contact me tomorrow and let me know. And then if you do want to do